we've had quite a big drop on the Bitcoin chart. Well, it seems like a big drop because when you zoom in, that's a big fat red candle. We're having some kind of recovery now. What percentage is that? It's nearly 3%, which is, a decent sized move. Now, if you zoom out onto the weekly chart, we're still within this channel. Now, in my last video, I talked about how to trade Bitcoin using channels, and it does work. So if you're a long-term trader, it's all good. You don't really need to do anything. If it breaks this trend line here, and that price is around about 103, that's when you probably want to consider exiting for the time being. But for now, I would say just sit on your hands. If you're a short-term trader, I did text this out on my Telegram group yesterday. When the price was around about here, I said, look, this trend line's been broken. We're probably going to see a drop. And we have. And this is how you trade this. I'll show you. You just draw the resistance trend line. So you'll connect, just draw some kind of line like this. It doesn't have to be exact, thereabouts. And from a lower trend line point of view, you're just looking for like a line of best fit. And you will change this as you get more and more data. As you get more and more data, and then more time passes, we're gonna have to see what happens. I mean, it might do something like this. It could go down like this. And then if that happens, then all you do is you just adjust your trend line accordingly. And what you're looking for a line of best fit. So the most amount of reasonable touch points. Like for example, over here, this isn't the most perfect line. You could adjust that a little bit, and you can see there's a good, 3, 4, even 5, almost 6 touch points here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and almost over there till it breaks. And so now we're in a short-term downtrend, but we're still in a long-term uptrend. So I'm still bullish. I'm not panicking. If we look at my indicator overlaid, the red line's still above the green line. And so, we're still in the game. No need to panic. I'm going to look at a few other charts. Ethereum, again, big, reasonable drop. But you can see that it's kind of like held support around about this area. And I can delete this trend line because that has been broken. And zooming out on ETH, this is let me just go into the daily. When there's a confluence of support and resistance, when multiple trend lines touch, like over here you've got this resistance line, over here you've got this support line, they're normally quite important. So I wouldn't be surprised if it hits this area 3.8 before zooming off again. Could happen. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance, 58.6. So we had quite a big spike up on the dominance chart to 59. Still ranging in between here. And just like, we were looking at support and resistance on Bitcoin, you can do the same on any chart. You could probably draw something like that. And if that's the case, then Bitcoin against alts could rise higher than alts for the time being. But, we'll just keep an eye on it at the moment. I'm just focusing on the Bitcoin chart. We don't know exactly how this is going to go. I've drawn these lines tentatively for now. And let's see, we'll keep updating them day by day. If you do want to join my Telegram group, where I do post out more like little, they're not trading signals, but, just examples of setups that I see, and I just text out and say, okay, look, this could happen or that could happen. The link's in the description.